Okay, for station number 2, you are going to use this link here to flip a coin. So once you're on that link, all you're going to be doing is flipping a coin. If you do not have a coin of your own, this is the simulation you'll use. So you have heads, tails, tails, heads, and you're going to go ahead and record it just like you did in the last one. Here are your tally marks. So I had 2 heads and I believe I had a tails. You're going to flip that coin 25 times until you have tally marks that add up to 25. That's the simulation you're going to be doing for this station right here. So if we were in class, we would be flipping a coin and you would be making these tally marks. Then you're going to answer questions 5 through 6 on the information that you have. So based on the results of your experiment, what is the probability the next flip will land on heads? Well, you're going to have your heads total right here. So how many times you had heads right here over the total amount, which is 25. Then based on your results of the experiment, what's the probability that you're going to flip or land on tails? Down here, you're going to have your tails total. So whatever number that you had for tails over 25. So for this example, I would have 2 over 25. Obviously, it's going to be much higher than that because I would have more. But just using the example of what I have here, I would have 1 over 25, just because these are the 2 numbers I have here. Your numbers are going to be different. Your numbers are not going to match up with somebody else's because you guys are going to be flipping that coin differently. You're not working together. You're on your own. Just make sure you have your tally marks here add up to 25. Then based on the results of your experiment, what team will Brent play? Well, up here, he's saying the heads is the Bears team and tails is the Jaguars team. So at this point, you're going to put what team he's going to play for. So if I'm going off of this information here, he would play for the Bears team. And that's how I would have that answer. So make sure that you're using this link or you have your own coin and you flip it 25 times, keep track of your tally marks, and then go ahead and answer the questions accordingly.